How do MCAT students beat Biochem Review Fatigue? Imagine sitting down for a long study session and feeling your energy drain faster than you expected. That's common when tackling bio and biochem for the medical college admission test. But don't worry, there are proven ways to stay motivated and keep fatigue at bay. First, understanding that bio and biochem on the MCAT test more than just memorization helps. They evaluate your ability to reason through scientific concepts, interpret data, and connect pathways. When students shift focus from just memorizing facts to applying concepts in different scenarios, studying becomes more interesting and less tiring. One effective trick is breaking study sessions into smaller chunks. Instead of trying to cover an entire chapter in one sitting, focus on one pathway or concept at a time. For example, spend 30 minutes on glycolysis, then take a short break before moving to enzyme functions. This prevents mental overload and keeps your mind fresh. Drawing diagrams or creating concept maps also makes a huge difference. Visualizing how glycolysis connects to the citric acid cycle or how enzymes work helps you see the bigger picture. It turns abstract facts into a visual story, making recall easier and study sessions more engaging. Practicing data interpretation is another key. The MCAT often asks you to analyze graphs, tables, or experimental results. Using a systematic approach like the TIDE-P method, title, axes, independent variable, dependent variable, patterns, helps you stay focused and makes analyzing data less frustrating. This active process keeps your brain involved and breaks the monotony of passive reading. Passage-based questions are common, so practicing with full-length passages trains you to quickly find relevant info and apply your knowledge. This reduces the stress of unfamiliar question formats and boosts confidence. Setting realistic goals each day or week also helps. When you track your progress and celebrate small wins, it keeps motivation high. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by endless review, you see steady improvement. Active recall and spaced repetition are powerful tools. Flashcards or question banks force you to retrieve information, which strengthens memory. This method is more effective than passive rereading and keeps your brain engaged. Lastly, don't forget to balance study with breaks and self-care. Regular naps, good nutrition, and exercise help your brain stay sharp. When you take care of yourself, studying becomes less draining and more sustainable. Remember, mastering bio and biochem for the MCAT isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about practicing how to think through problems, interpret data, and connect concepts. When you organize your study into manageable parts, actively engage with questions, and take care of your well-being, you'll find it easier to stay focused and avoid fatigue. This approach not only prepares you for the exam but also builds skills useful in medical school and beyond.